10 ways to drop pounds without eating plan. 1 pound of fats is the same as 3,500 calories. By shaving 500 calories a day through dietary and exercise changes, that you may lose about a pound every week. In case you handiest need to maintain your present weight, shaving 100 calories a day is sufficient to hinder the additional 1 to 2 pounds most adults gain each and every year. 1. Eat breakfast daily. 1 depend that's long established to many humans who've misplaced weight and stored it off is consuming breakfast day to day. The new food pyramids. Reports exhibit persons who eat breakfast have /BMIs than breakfast skippers and perform higher, whether or not at college or within the boardroom. Try a bowl of entire grain cereal topped with fruit and low-fats dairy for a fast and nutritious to your day. 2. Close the kitchen at night time. Establish a time when you'll stop consuming so that you will not provide into the late-night munchies or senseless snacking whilst gazing TV. Have a cup of tea, suck on a piece of difficult sweet or enjoy a small bowl of light ice cream or frozen yogurt if you wish to have something candy after dinner, but then brush your teeth so you're going to be much less prone to devour or drink something else. 3. Prefer liquid calories accurately. Sweetened drinks pile on the calories, but don't minimize hunger like staple meals do. Satisfy your thirst with water, glowing water with citrus, skim or low-fat milk, or small parts of 100% fruit juice. Or attempting a tumbler of nutritious and low-calorie vegetable juice to maintain you over should you get hungry between foods. Watch out of alcohol energy, which add up quickly. In the event you tend to drink a pitcher or two of wine or a cocktail on most days, limiting alcohol to the weekends generally is a huge calorie saver. 4. Consume extra produce. Consuming lots of low-calorie, high-quantity fruits and greens crowds out other meals which can be better in fats and energy. Move the meat off the center of your plate and pile on the vegetables. 5. Go for the grain. Via substituting whole grains for refined grains like white bread, cakes, cookies, and pretzels, you add much wanted fiber and will fill up turbo so you are extra likely to consume a cheap component. Choose entire wheat breads and pastas, brown rice, bran flakes, popcorn, and whole rye crackers. 6. Control your environments. One more easy strategy to support cut calories is to control your atmosphere, the whole lot, from stocking your kitchen with tons of healthful options to opting for the proper restaurants. That implies averting the temptation with the aid of staying far away from all you can devour eating places. And in the case of parties, consume a healthful snack earlier than so you is not going to be ravenous, and be selective when you fill your plate at the buffet. Before going back for extra food, wait at least 15 minutes and have a massive glass of water. 7. Trim portions. If you did nothing else however, curb your parts by way of 10% to 20%, you could possibly drop pounds. Many of the portions served both in restaurants and at home are larger than you need. Pull out the measuring cups to get a handle on your usual component sizes, and work on paring them down. You will not feel deprived considering the meals will look abundant on dainty dishware. 8. Add extra steps. Get yourself a pedometer and steadily add extra steps except you attain 10,000 per day. During the day, do anything that you can to be more lively, PC. Even as you talk on the cell, take the dog out for a different stroll, and march in position for the period of television classified ads. Having a pedometer serves as a regular motivator and reminder. 9. Have protein at each meal and snack. Including a supply of lean or low-fat protein to each and every meal and snack will preserve you feeling full longer so you're much less likely to overeat. Or attempting low-fats yogurt, small element of nuts, peanut butter, eggs, beans, or lean meats. Gurus additionally recommend consuming small, popular meals and snacks every 3-4 hours to preserve your blood sugar levels consistent and to avert overindulging. 10. Change to lighter choices. Whenever that you could, use the low-fats models of salad dressings, mayonnaise, dairy products, and other products. More intelligent substitutions, use salsa or hummus as a dip, spread sandwiches with mustard alternatively of mayo, eat undeniable roasted candy potatoes rather of loaded white potatoes, use skim milk as a substitute of cream in your coffee, preserve the cheese on sandwiches, and use a bit of vinaigrette on your salad as a substitute of piling on the creamy dressing.